Welcome to your Lifestyle Videos Daily Market Update. I'm Ryan, your AI guide. Today, let's take a look at the 30-day market snapshot for the City of Burlington. Sold listings and the average sales price are down for single-family homes in Burlington. With average days on the market up to 16 days, the average sale price is $1,510,000. Looking at condos, sold listings and the average sales price are down, with average days on the market up to 25 days. The average sale price of a condo in Burlington is $744,000. Remember to enjoy one of the wide selection of videos at lifestylevideos.com. You can also search for homes to view all current listings in your area. For all your home buying or selling needs, connect with one of our experts today and embark on your journey towards the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.